Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Cake.
I like cake.
Chocolate cake.
This chocolate cake is yummy.
Cupcake.
She eats a cupcake.
Ice cream.
I love ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream is sweet.
Cookie.
I eat a cookie.
Biscuit.
The biscuit is crunchy.
Donut.
I eat a donut.
Brownie.
The brownie is soft.
Jelly donut.
The donut has jelly.
Pie.
Mom makes a pie.
Pudding.
The pudding is smooth.
Apple pie.
Apple pie smells good.
Custard.
Custard is creamy.
Popsicle.
The popsicle is cold.
Ice pop.
I eat an ice pop.
Sorbet.
Sorbet is fruity.
Vanilla milkshake.
Vanilla milkshake is sweet.
Milkshake.
I drink a milkshake.
Waffle.
I eat a waffle.
Crepe.
The crepe is thin.
Pancake.
Pancakes are soft.
Muffin.
I eat a muffin.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake is creamy.
Tart.
The tart is sweet.
Macaron.
The macaron is small.
Eclair.
The eclair has cream.
Croissant.
I eat a sweet croissant.
Candy.
Kids love candy.
Pastry.
The pastry is fresh.
Lollipop.
I have a lollipop.
Gummy bears.
Gummy bears are chewy.
Caramel.
Caramel is sticky.
Toffee.
Toffee is hard and sweet.
Truffle.
The truffle is chocolatey.
Fudge.
Fudge melts in my mouth.
Praline.
Praline has nuts.
Nougat.
Nougat is chewy.
Jalebi.
Jalebi is crispy.
Gulab Jamun.
Gulab jamun is very sweet.
Kheer.
Kheer is a rice dessert.
Barfi.
Barfi is milky.
Faluda.
Faluda is cold.
Churros.
Churros are crunchy.
Baklava.
Baklava has honey.
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu is creamy.
Mousse.
Chocolate mousse is fluffy.
Flan.
Flan is smooth.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad is healthy.
Sundae.
The sundae has nuts.
Parfait.
Parfait has layers.
Frozen yogurt.
Frozen yogurt is cold.
Candy floss.
Candy floss is fluffy.
Fruit cake.
Fruit cake has dry fruits.
Swiss roll.
Swiss roll is rolled cake.
Jam roll.
Jam roll is sweet.
Fruit custard.
Fruit custard has fruits.
Oat cookie.
Oat cookies are healthy.
Ice cream cone.
I eat an ice cream cone.
Mini tart.
The tart is small.
Jam cookie.
Jam cookie is tasty.
Chocolate roll.
Chocolate roll is soft.
Sweet dish.
I love sweet dishes.
Dessert bowl.
The bowl has sweets.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.